Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will see how to do updation in Oracle Primavera P6. In the last video, we have seen how to create baseline. The same problem I'm going to continue to see how the updation works in Oracle Primavera P6. So before we start updating the project, just go to the software and make sure you have schedule percent complete and activity percent complete here. So to get those options, you can right click over here, anywhere over here, or you can go to columns here. You can also go to columns, go to columns. So from the available options, pick those two options. Pick those two options, schedule person complete and activity person complete. In fact, schedule person complete will be there by default. Just search for activity person complete. I'll select OK. Now let us see how we are going to update the project for the A, B, C activity. So I have a small data here about how I am going to update it. So activity I have, progress I have, delay I have. Progress in percentage, delay in days. So what does this mean is A activity is going to finish 100% with no delay. So if I planned A activity to start on Monday to finish on Friday, it will be the same thing, no delay or not getting finished earlier, nothing like that. It is going to be the same. For the B activity, for the B activity, it is going to finish 100% with 1 day delay. So if I planned B to start on Monday, it is not going to finish on Friday, but with 1 day extra. Next Monday it is going to finish. So it is going to get dragged, this one. The basin will be there. It is a fixed line so that we can see the project plan. What was our project plan we can still see while the project is getting updated. So we'll see that in just a moment. And for the C activity, C is going to finish 100% with -1, means 1 day earlier it is going to finish. So what does mean is the C activity will be starting on Monday, right? And finishing on Friday according to our plan. But it is not going to finish on Friday, but 1 day earlier it is going to finish on Thursday. That is what it means. So let us see how we update in the Primavera. So first click on the first activity A, then go to status here. Then under the status we can see here the activity will start on 30 March 9 a.m. and it will finish on 3rd April 6 p.m. So click on started and we know 100% with no delay. So do one thing, 100% with no delay. That means we can just note this down, 3rd April 6 p.m. So note it down and go to schedule. Just select 3rd April 6 p.m. Select schedule. And then since we have finished 100%, you can select finish. So can you see here in the schedule percent complete? According to our schedule means our plan. According to our plan, we should have finished 100% and we have finished 100%. According to the actual progress, now this is the actual progress. We are working on the project. According to the activity percent complete, we should have finished 100%, right? On this day, this activity should have finished 100% here. And we also have finished 100% in the real time. So that is about updating the A activity. Now let us go to the B activity. So B activity should have finished 100% with 1 day delay. B activity will be finishing 100% with 1 day delay. So that means highlight B activity, come to status and look at the status. It will start on 6th April 9 a.m. and will finish on 10th April 6 p.m. according to our plan. According to our plan, but according to the data that is given to us, it is finishing 100% with 1 day delay. So go to the software. Here instead of 10th, you need to add extra 1 day because the we are finishing this B activity with 1 day extra. So click on started 100%, not 10th April, but 1 day extra, that is going to be 11th April. So 11th April is Saturday and 12th is Sunday, which are non-working days. You need to select 13th 6 p.m. Can you understand? You are not going to consider any non-working days. You have to select the next working day, that is 13th. Select, click on schedule. Can you see here? Because we delayed the B activity, C activity is getting pushed. Got it? C activity should start only after the completion of B according to the relationship that we assigned. So B activity is getting delayed. And we can also see here CB activity has finished 100% according to our plan, and in the real time, I mean the actual progress also it has finished 100%. But come to this C activity, see according to our plan, 20% of C activity should have finished. Can see, right? This is the line which says 20% activity should have finished. Can you look at it? You can understand it from the graph itself. On this day, according to what we planned, 20% of 20% of C should have finished, but it has not started yet. That is what this activity person mean, and schedule means this schedule is taken from the baseline. Can you understand that? See, activity should have finished 20% according to our plan, but we have not started the activity yet. That is what it means. So, so this is why baseline is important. All this data is taken from baseline, and this data from these bars above the baseline. So, so you can also see that baseline is like a fixed lines or bars. It is not going to deform in any way, but these are getting deformed. You can see, right? Yeah. So the C activity, let's come to the C activity. So C activity will be finishing 100% with minus 1 day delay. Means minus 1 means 1 day earlier. So let's see how it works. So come to the software, come to C activity and go to status, click on started. Before that, let us just see. See, C activity as per plan is starting on 14th 9 a.m. and finishing on 20th 6 p.m. But according to the data that is given to us to update, we have minus 1 delay. That means 1 day earlier we have finished. So click on started. 100% we have finished with 1 day delay. So not 20 but minus 1. Minus 1 from that day. Schedule not 20, not 19th, 18th because they are non-working days. Come to 17th, 17th 6 p.m. You can't select 19th and 18th because they are Sunday and Saturday. Come to Friday and select it and schedule. Okay, you should have selected finished for the B activity. You should have selected finished for the B activity. Since you did not select it, it is getting dragged. So that is okay. Just remember one thing, that if you have finished your activity 100%, you just click on finished. For the C activity now, we have finished 100% on on 17th, right? Yeah, according to the status line, that is this one. When did we last update? that is here. This blue color line you can see, right? That is the last updated time. So now this problem is solved. According to our plan, we should have finished three activities on this day, and in the real time also we have finished on the same day itself. Always remember, if you just finish an activity 100%, you need to click on finished. For the B activity, I just forgot it. That doesn't matter. For the C activity, I selected it, so it is here. B will be somewhere stop. B this blue color bar will be stopping somewhere over here. Since I finished, clicked on finished at the same time where, when I clicked C, it is here. So if you have any doubts, you can comment below. And I hope you understood how do we do updation. So yeah, if you want to get daily updates on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and thank you.